Emma, do you know the secret behind MrBeast's success?
No, Dad. What is it?
Emma, have you heard of MrBeast?
Yes, Dad, I have.
Who is MrBeast?
Who not pest? He is a famous YouTuber.
Millions of people watch his videos.
That's incredible!
Why do people like him so much?
Because his videos are exciting.
He also helps many people.
That is very kind.
Do you want to be successful too?
Yes, I do.
Success takes hard work.
I am ready to work hard.
What is your favorite MrBeast video?
I like challenge videos.
Challenges can be fun.
Yes, they are exciting.
Let's learn a new English word.
Great!
Let's learn a new English word.
Great!
Challenge means a difficult task.
Challenge, I understand.
Reward means a prize.
Reward sounds wonderful.
Creative means having new ideas.
I want to be creative.
Creativity helps people succeed.
I will use my imagination.
What do you learn from MrBeast?
I learn kindness and hard work.
Those are important lessons.
Yes, they are.
Yes, they are.
Do you enjoy learning English?
Yes, I enjoy it very much.
English helps us communicate.
I want to speak English fluently.
Practice every day.
I will practice daily.
Reading books can help.
I like reading stories.
Listening is important too.
I listen carefully. Speaking builds confidence. I will speak more English.
Never give up on your dreams.
I won't give up.
We are proud of you.
Thank you, Mom and Dad.
Keep learning and growing. I will.
Goodbye, everyone.